Most teachers don't realize that keeping students engaged is more than just teaching fun lessons. In this video, we are diving into why engagement is everything in online teaching and how it affects student participation, learning, and retention, and why digital game templates are the easiest way to boost student engagement in your classroom, make your lessons exciting without adding extra hours of prep. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how you can get instant access to ready-to-edit game templates that are just ready to play in your classroom that will get your students so excited that they're asking their parents to sign up again for your classroom. Or I had a situation where a student wanted to sign himself up for my classroom. When students are engaged, three main things happen. Number one, participation. Participation goes up. They're raising their hand. They are putting their answers in the chat box. They are wanting to answer questions. Their focus and attention's on you, and they're able to drown out any background noise. Number two, they retain more information. So now that they're engaged, they're participating, they're actively learning, they are going to retain the information that you are teaching them a lot longer. Number three, they stay enrolled longer. They are so happy to come back to your classroom, and you can spend more time teaching and less time marketing, trying to find new students, because your students are happy to come back week after week. Here's some things my own students have said that just made my day. One student said, "Can we play this again next week?" Another one I heard just this week, she said, "I don't like math, but now math is fun and I love math." That one was like, my student loves math, all because of games. Goal accomplished. She's excited to come to math class and practice with us. And my favorite one, I had a student and she said, "If I played this until I was 100 years old, I would, and I would not be bored." This is the kind of energy that keeps students engaged and engaged for long term. They want to come back. And when they love class, they are going to be so excited to tell their parents after class. And when their parents hear that, then they talk to more parents. And that kind of word of mouth referral is priceless. I've had several classes where I've had a student and then all of a sudden their friend is joining. And then I've had a class where there were three friends together in one class. It was really fun. Isn't just about getting more signups. It's about creating an experience that students are going to enjoy, they're going to love learning, and they're going to want to stay. We want to keep those students for as long as they need us. And the easiest way to do that, teach with games. But let's be real, you are already busy. You are a mom teaching from home. You're switching from mom, switching to teacher, maybe several times during the day. Creating interactive and engaging lessons from scratch can feel overwhelming, and that's where digital game templates come into place. And I'm talking about pre-made, ready-to-edit digital game templates that you can quickly customize with your lesson content, taking your class from just another online lesson to an unforgettable experience. With digital game templates, you can save time. It will take you 20 minutes to edit a game versus 4+ hours to create the game from scratch. And the best part, you don't have to figure this out on your own. Teachers inside my Game Changer Club membership have seen these changes firsthand. They don't create games from scratch anymore. They're able to edit a template, be done in 20 minutes, and it's ready to go for their classroom. They just have to type in their learning content. I have a teacher whose schedule is full of tutoring students. So this is a great way to use the same game over several students, but just easily change out that content. Imagine having a library of ready-to-edit digital game templates that you can pick and choose from that are going to best serve your students without sacrificing more of your time or more time away from family. And that's exactly what's inside the Game Changer Club membership. So if you're ready to stop struggling with student engagement and start easily creating classes that sell out on their own, then the Game Changer Club is just for you. As a member, you get 3 brand new ready to edit digital game templates every month. There is a step-by-step video tutorial included in exactly how you need to edit and play the game. Once a month we get together and we have a live Q&A session. You can ask me any questions, and we also play the current month game together. So you can see how it's played in real life, so you know what your students see and answer any questions you may have about teaching with digital games. And that's what's waiting for you inside the Game Changer Club. Are you ready to stop spending hours on lesson prep and ready to see your students come back for 6+ months? Then click the link in the description box and join the Game Changer Club today.